Woodpecker's Ultra-Shear router bits deliver American-made quality at factory direct pricing. Solid carbide spiral bits cut cleaner and last longer than brazed carbide bits, but that performance has always cost more. Woodpecker's is closing the price gap by using the latest computerized grinding equipment and selling direct from the manufacturer to the woodworker. No middleman markups and no ocean voyages, just great bits at a great price. We make Ultra-Shear half-inch shank solid carbide spiral bits in half-inch cutting diameter with cut lengths of 1 inch, 1 1/4 inch, 1 1/2 inch, and 2 inches. For the ultimate in cutting stability, we have reduced diameter half-inch shank bits in 1/4 inch, 5/16, and 3/8 inch, all with 1 1/4 inch cut length. The large shank size minimizes vibration when making deep cuts. These bits are held to tight tolerance for dimension, making them ideal for mortising with machines like multi-router and panta-router. All sizes are available in both upcut and downcut versions. Which spiral router bit is right for you? Upcut bits are the best choice for solid wood. Downcut bits slice downward into the surface of the material. You'll get flawless chip-free edges in veneer plywood and laminates. And in either cut direction, always choose the shortest cut length that will accomplish the job at hand. These straight spiral bits don't have a pilot bearing, so you'll want to use them with an edge guide, a trammel attachment, a horizontal router system, a CNC, or a router table with a fence. Ultra-Shear half-inch shank solid carbide spirals, smooth cuts, and long tool life. Just what you're looking for in your shop tooling. Order yours today. Have an idea for a router bit you would like to see in the Ultra-Shear lineup? Let us know with an email to mailroom@woodpeck.com.